So, you're ready to build a powerful personal brand using AI, right? But the big question, the one everyone has, is how do you do it without sounding like some generic robot? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down today. Let's get right into it. Okay, let's just tackle the biggest fear right out of the gate. I hear it all the time. If I use AI, isn't my brand just going to sound fake, like everyone else? And look, that's a totally valid concern. It's honestly what stops most people before they even get started. But I'm here to tell you to think again, seriously, because the whole approach to using AI for branding has completely changed. It's not about replacing you, it's about amplifying you. This right here, this is the mindset shift we all need. We're not hiring AI to be us. We're hiring it as our own personal, high-powered marketing team. Just think about it. You get a brand strategist, a creative director, and a distribution manager, all working around the clock to amplify your voice. So let's start with that first role, AI as your brand strategist. This is all about getting crystal clear on who you are and what you stand for, way before you even think about hitting post. I like to call this your brand DNA. It's the core of who you are online. It's what people remember you for, your topic, your style, your unique promise. Getting this right is honestly the difference between shouting into the void and actually building a real, engaged audience. And we're going to build this foundation using 4 key pillars. It's a super simple roadmap: what you talk about, who you're trying to help, the change you offer them, and why they should listen to you in the first place. Let's break down how AI can help nail every single one.
First up, your topic. Look, you can't be everything to everyone. It just doesn't work. The goal here is clarity. When someone sees your name, they should immediately think of your main theme. That's your anchor.
So, how do you find it? Well, you don't have to stare at a blank page for hours. Just use this exact prompt. You're basically letting AI act as your personal coach, asking you smart questions that will help pull out the answer that's already in you. Next up, your audience. And listen, the answer is not everyone. The more specific you get, the more your message is going to hit home. Think about it. Are you more likely to pay attention to some generic advice or advice that feels like it was written just for you? This prompt is pure gold. It's like an empathy engine. You're using AI to literally step inside your audience's shoes, to understand what keeps them up at 3 a.m. and what their biggest dreams are. This is how you create content that actually connects with people. Pillar 3 is the promise, and this is such a crucial shift in thinking. It's not about what you do, it's about what your audience gets. It's the after picture. Are you taking them from confused to confident, from overwhelmed to organized? That transformation is the real value of your brand. And here's how you get that down on paper. This prompt helps you brainstorm promises that are really compelling, but also feel authentic and genuinely helpful, not like some pushy sales pitch. And finally, we have proof. And this is a big one, especially if you're just starting out. You do not have to be the world's leading expert. Your proof can simply be that you're one step ahead, learning in public and sharing your journey. That vulnerability, that can be incredibly powerful. The whole point here is to just own where you are. This prompt is basically designed to fight imposter syndrome head-on. It helps you craft a statement that's both confident and totally honest, turning your learning process into your greatest asset. Okay, our foundation is set, it's solid. Now it's time to hire our creative director. This is how we're going to build a content engine that actually works and keeps working without burning you out. I want you to remember this number, 80%. This is roughly how much of the content creation grunt work we can intelligently hand over to AI, which leaves you to focus on what really matters. This is what I call the 80-20 rule for authentic AI content. You let AI do the heavy lifting. That's the 80%. The research, the outlining, structuring the first draft. Your job is to come in and add that final, irreplaceable 20%. Your personality, your unique stories, your insights, your soul. That's how you stay human. And the workflow? It could not be simpler. Seriously. You just brain dump your messy, unfiltered thoughts. Talk into your phone on a walk, scribble in a notebook. Then you hand those raw notes to your AI assistant and say, hey, clean this up and structure it into a post. That's it. Now this is where the real magic happens. If you want to see consistent without going crazy, you have to work smarter, not harder. And the key is repurposing. One single idea can fuel your content for an entire week.
Just look at this. You can record one single video, feed the transcript to an AI, and boom, it turns into an entire week's worth of content across all your platforms. This isn't just a time saver, my friends. This is a system for sustainable growth. So, you've got your strategy locked in, you've got your content engine humming, now you just need to get it in front of the right people, consistently. It's time to bring in our distribution manager. This is a slide you might want to screenshot. This is your AI creative tech stack. Instead of getting lost in a sea of a million different tools, this is a simple, curated list of the best-in-class AI for each part of the process, from writing and research all the way to video and social growth. Okay, I know this can feel like a lot to take in all at once, so let's bring it all together into a super simple, actionable plan for your very first month. This is how you go from just learning about this stuff to actually doing it without the overwhelm. Here it is, your blueprint. Week 1 is all about strategy, nailing your bio and brainstorming ideas. Week 2, you start creating and you get a couple of posts out there. Week 3, you build consistency with a signature series. And week 4, you put that powerful repurposing engine to work. It's a simple step-by-step plan that just builds momentum. So let's just end on this thought. Instead of always asking what AI can do for you, what if we flipped the question and asked, what will you teach your AI about you, about your voice, your unique stories, your perspective? Because that's the real secret here. AI is an amazing tool, but your story? That's the unique source code it needs to really work. So what's the first thing you're going to tell it?